In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom CSS in a Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know how to draft a little CSS, add it safely to a page using a code block, and save your changes with confidence. First, let's gather the CSS we want to use. Open Google Gemini in your browser. Click into the prompt field and type what you're trying to style. For example, you might ask for a snippet that changes your heading colors, adds spacing to paragraphs, or styles buttons on hover. Press Enter to run it. If the result isn't exactly right, click back into the prompt, clarify what you want, maybe a different font size, color, or margin, and submit again. Feel free to iterate a couple of times until the CSS looks clean and understandable. When you're happy, keep that code handy to copy in a moment. Now switch over to your Squarespace site editor and open the page you want to work on. Click where it says Text to enter edit mode for that section. Next, choose Add Block, and from the list of block types, select Code. This opens a code editor on the page. You'll likely see a small placeholder, often something like a simple paragraph. Click inside that placeholder so you can replace it with your own content and CSS. Paste or type a quick example of the content you want to style, such as a heading and a paragraph. Then, above that, paste the CSS you prepared. A simple way to keep it self-contained is to wrap the CSS in a style tag, so it only affects what's on this block and page. For example, if you're styling a heading, assign it a class in your HTML and reference that class in your CSS. This keeps things scoped and avoids unexpected changes elsewhere. Take a moment to tidy the code so it's readable. Make sure your selectors match the elements you've added. If the styles aren't showing, double-check that your class names are consistent and that you're editing the code content itself, not a preview. When everything looks good, click Save. Preview the page to confirm the styles are applied. If something still isn't right, return to the code block, adjust the CSS values, and save again. Keep your changes minimal and test on a couple of screen sizes so your styles look good on desktop and mobile. As a best practice, leave brief comments in your CSS so you remember what each rule is doing. That's it. You drafted CSS, added it via a code block in Squarespace, and saved your custom styling.